Once again, call on the Secretary of the Department of Tourism of the Philippines, the Honorable Wanda Tulfo Teo.
Dr. Talib Rifai, Secretary General of the World Tourism Organization, UNWTO, Mr. Paulie Chola, Statistician General of South Africa, Senate President Aquilino Pimentel III, distinguished tourism ministers and deputy ministers, as well as statisticians from various countries, colleagues in the government, dear friends from the tourism industry, media invitees, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant morning to all of you. The Philippines is indeed very glad to co-host the 6th UNWTO International Conference on Tourism Statistics here at Resorts World, Manila. The Department of Tourism sees this forum as an opportunity not only to showcase the beauty of our country, but more importantly, to inform the global community that the Philippines remains a safe and secure destination for tourists. An archipelago of 7,641 islands in Southeast Asia, the Philippines is endowed with unique natural wonders, rich cultural heritage, and friendly, hospitable people whose smiles can never be ignored nor forgotten. This enchanting tropical paradise has played host to wide range to tourists whose numbers continue to grow. In the first quarter of this year, 1.8 million international visitors came to our country, registering a growth of 11%, the highest we had in recent years. As we anticipate further growth in the coming years, we are keen in transforming tourism into an environmentally and socially responsible industry that gives high value to the protection of our environment, conservation and enrichment of Philippine culture, and improving the lives of our local communities. The theme of this conference, Measuring Sustainable Tourism, is very much aligned to our vision under 2016-2022 National Tourism Development Plan. It is our vision to secure a better planet for our people and to provide better experience to our tourists and guests. Together with our stakeholders and development partners, the Department of Tourism has undertaken several programs to raise awareness on strategic trust, diversify product offerings, and facilitate innovation and creativity. Along this line, the Zero Carbon Project is currently being implemented in selected destinations in cooperation with the European Union. Last week, we signed an agreement with hotels and MICE associations under the grant from the German government to start transforming the tourism value chain in the said sector into a low-carbon and resource-efficient operation. In partnership with the Department of Environment and Natural Resources, we are also implementing National Ecotourism Strategy that aims to develop ecotourism sites as models for sustainable tourism with local communities owning, engaging, and operating various tourism activities. As a country whose tourism assets are slowly intertwined with environment, we believe that there is so much for us to gain in this conference. We hope that the Manila Call for Action will be adopted in this forum to demonstrate our common resolve to create a better world for our children and future generations. Let us all work together. Thank you and mabuhay.